Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube short from your channel in just a few steps. Start logging into your YouTube account, then open YouTube Studio whether on desktop or on your mobile phone. This one, YouTube Studio. This must be not this one, not the regular YouTube app. Go to the YouTube Studio and then here click on the YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on the left menu and select content to view all videos and shorts in your channel. Here at first click the profile and then click view channel and click on manage videos. After that click on shorts. Now all the shorts on your channel will appear in this list, not the videos, only the shorts. From here click on the three dot of the video you want to delete. After clicking on it you will see an option here, delete. Click on it and your short will be deleted from your channel. And just like that, the short is gone from your channel. This action is permanent, so make sure you really want to remove it. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.